If you manage complex workflows, tools, and people, Puzzle is one of the most operator-first tools on AppSumo right now. It's not just another whiteboard. It's closer to a living operations map. Let's break it down. Puzzle is a visual process mapping and operations management tool. Instead of messy flowcharts, docs, and spreadsheets, Puzzle lets you map processes, connect tools, assign owners track time plus cost per step, see dependencies and downstream impact, all in one connected visual workspace. Puzzle shines if you're consultants, marketing agencies, IT and security agencies, operations managers, founders scaling a team, anyone drowning in tools, automations, and handoffs. If you only need brainstorming boards, Miro, Figma is enough. If you need operational clarity, Puzzle hits harder. Visual process mapping, but smarter. You don't just draw boxes. Each step can include owner tool used, cost, time spent, dependencies, documentation. Click any object, instantly see how it connects to everything else, real cost and time tracking. This is where Puzzle separates itself. You can calculate labor cost per step, tool cost per process, rework and inefficiencies. Result? You see what actually makes money and what quietly drains it. Most visual tools completely ignore this. Real-time sync across workspaces. Change a tool, role, or process once. It updates everywhere. That means cleaner onboarding, no outdated SOPs, less wait, which doc is right? For growing teams, this is huge. SaaS bloat detection puzzle shows which tools support which tasks, where tools overlap, where breakpoints exist. Perfect if you've bought too many SaaS tools. AppSumo users, you know who you are? Integrations, solid, not overhyped. Native integrations with Zapier. Make HubSpot. You can pull real workflows and sync them to your diagrams instead of rebuilding from scratch. Now let's talk pricing. License tier 1, $59, 1 seat, unlimited objects, workspaces, tabs, workflow builder, cost tracking, all integrations. Best for solo consultants and founders. License tier 2, a $159 and 3 seats. Everything in tier 1, best for small agencies or ops teams. License tier 3, $279, 6 seats, full feature access. Best for growing teams with shared ops ownership. All plans include lifetime access, 60-day refund guarantee. AppSumo, select badge, what users are saying, 4.76, 5 rating. Many praise, low learning curve, big operational impact, founder responsiveness, some friction, tool management limitations, expectation mismatch. It's an ops system, not a doodle board. Yes, if you care about systems, not just visuals. Puzzle is not a Miro replacement, a business operations clarity tool. If you run workflows across people plus tools, want to cut waste, need everything documented and connected, hate outdated SOPs, then $59 lifetime is a steal. Buy it if you think like an operator. Skip it if you only think in sticky notes. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check out the lifetime deal. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more software deals and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.